My name is Daniel Möglich and I'm working at DPS Software in Germany since 8 years. SWOOD using for 8 years, so I start with SWOOD do the post-processor on the machines, do the implementation for SWOOD design, and now I'm the pre-sales manager in charge of the customer. Because SWOOD is very important for the woodworking market and it makes SOLIDWORKS useful for the woodworking market and for the companies. We have a different training process for SWOOD design and SWOOD For SWOOD design we do an implementation package with a workshop to start ask the customer what their needs, then we prepare it and after we train it. For SWOOD we do a basic training and after a customized training 1 day or 2 days to implement the post-processor for the machine and do the templates for the and make a little training for the copier. I think it's easy to use, yes. SWOOD support is great. I work since 8 years together with Efficat and we improve a lot. We have some meetings to share knowledge and develop sometimes together the software. It's very great. Yeah, with SWOOD you are very fast to use connectors, to use the libraries, and what is the most important point, the customers can build their own library to use it, and so they are very fast. It's a great event to share the knowledge about SWOOD, to see all the guys to work together all the year, and you get a lot of information and it's pretty good.